Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me. It depends with the country, the nation that you are, the time that you are. Now today I got an exciting recipe. Kama kawaida. Today we are making, can you guess? By the way, can you guess? Guess. As we premiere, guess. Nione watu wangapi watajua in the next few seconds. Now guys, very simple snack. I call it a snack because it's a snack. And you can also make it in the morning and have it for breakfast. Very easy snack, and we are calling it hot dog. Na Kiswahili usiniulize. Na Kiswahili usiniulize inaitangwa aje. Now we are cooking hot dog. And we are making actually hot dog. It's so easy to make. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you got an amazing hot dog. You know what? I went to the supermarket, and I will not mention the supermarket. One of the supermarkets was selling this one hot dog. Let me show you. This one hot dog, like this, at 150. Another supermarket was selling it at 200. Then I wondered, why is it this thing that it is too expensive? And I said, let me try and see. Now, these buns, they are only 50 shillings. These 6 of them. 50 bob only. A packet of sausage, and there are 12 inside, so you use them for a very long time, or you use them like twice or thrice according to the people that you have in the house. You know how much it is. You can have a hot dog anytime you need. And onion. That is the only things that you need to make a hot dog. Then I was very mad that I can buy something at 200 bob, and that 200 bob is enough for me to cook for my entire family. What is it? So today we are making hot dog, and we are going to be topping it with mayonnaise. This is mustard, yellow mustard. We have mustard with honey here. We have hot and sweet pepper. We have tomato sauce. We got so many toppings. You can do barbecue, you can do choma sauce, you can do a lot. But this is what I have in the house. If you don't have all this in the house, tomato sauce or hot and sweet, it's enough actually. Don't stress yourself because of the toppings. But if you love toppings like me, you can have all these toppings or several of them, and you are going to be okay. Now, this is onion. These are what we call sausage, hot dog sausages. Our onion, we need to cook it first. I'm drying my pan. I'm trying to dry my pan. So allow me to dry it. And also we have pan here for our choma sausages. Now listen, if you don't have this two-sided pan, I have the two-sided pan. If you don't have the two-sided pan, you can use the normal pan. You just switch. You just put them in the normal pan, and you just stir them and cook. So here is where we are going to be cooking our onions, and here is where we are going to be cooking what? Our sausages. And I can see they are dried. So we put oil. We oil our pan like that. We oil this one for the sausages like that, and you cook with low heat. Let's put our onion. Here goes our onions. For our sausages, let us oil the entire pan. I'm making 6 hot dogs, so those are 6. We cook them there. Now for our onion, we are going to be seasoning our onions, but let's wait for it to shrink first. Our onion is coming through. I will season it with some spices that I have in the house. So you can season your onions with whatever you want, but salt should be there. But anything else, it's your own, whatever you have in the house, whatever you love. Wow, these are fully cooked. We switch off, and now they are waiting for the onions. Look at that. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. They look amazing and yummy. So let them be there as we season with salt. Then I will use black pepper. I love it. A little black pepper, like a teaspoon. Then I'll season it with curry powder. Curry powder, not too much. Also not tablespoon, a teaspoon. And then that's enough, because the toppings are there. I got like 4 to 5 types of toppings, and you can use any toppings. If it is one you have tomato sauce, chili sauce, sweet and hot, sweet and sour, you can use. So my onions have stopped becoming one color, so I have given it color at least. So we are going to cook it until it is cooked. As we wait for it to cook, let's wait for it to cook. The next 3-4 minutes it should be cooked. Today we are sponsored by Hair Innovate, PM Mavazi and PM Nail Spa. Hair Innovate, they deal with pure human hair, like the extension on my head. So many extensions, so many wigs, custom made and ready made already. They sell bundles, and they do retail and wholesale. Their social media platforms are there. Facebook, Instagram, their number is there. You need human hair. You are a seller and you need to buy with them wholesale. You are a retailer. They are going to sort you out. Call them. PM Mavazi and PM Nail Spa. We are located at Power Star Building, Kasarani. That is where we are. PM Nail Spa, we do all nail art, pedicure, manicure, gel, tips, acrygel, acrylics, all those. And we also do professional makeup, and we also do something we call facials. PM Nail Spa, come, we glam you. PM Mavazi, we import our clothes from Turkey, purely Turkey. We deliver countrywide. We deliver even out of the country internationally. Just call us, choose a dress, buy with us. We shall deliver it at your doorstep. Let's shop with PM Mavazi. They are amazing sponsors for today. So we are cooking hot dog. So let's check our onions. Nakwambiaga hii maisha sio serious. Don't take it so serious. Sometimes it's good that you do what? You joke with life. Kuwa serious sana utazeeka mapema. So look at that. Our onion is almost cooked. They are almost cooked. There are people that, by the way, there are people that like it, and I will not cover it because I'm avoiding the sauce. I'm avoiding so much. So let me cook it the next few minutes opening. There are people that prefer crunchy onions, and there are people that prefer cooked onion. It depends on you. You can do it fully cooked, or you can do it halfway cooked, crunchy. But as for me, I love it a bit cooked. So let me allow it to have another minute as it dries up a bit of sauce. Of course, we would want it with a little sauce, but not too much. As you can see, they are cooked, but I want them cooked a bit more than this, a bit. And also I want the sauce to dry a bit and remain with a lesser sauce. So we got our amazing sausages here. You can use choma sausage. You can use hot dog sausage, because we got hot dog sausages. And also you can use normal sausage. It depends. It depends. I'm feeling like using the kitchen towel because of the oil. Allow me to pick it. Here we go. Here we are. All right. Jabali, Hadassah, Bobo, cameraman, our house manager, and PM. You see, me, I'm a good mother. I am a good mother. So I'm doing this to reduce oil. That is why I'm wrapping them with this kitchen paper or kitchen towel. They look amazing. They look eatable. They look magical. Eh? Hey. By the way, guys, I love hot dogs, but I don't eat them too much because you know now. You know. If you know, you know. Kwa sababu ya maneno na weight. All right. I think by now our onion is cooked. So remember, you cook your onion depending on how you love it. Do you love it fully cooked, halfway cooked? However you love it, you cook it that way. So our onion is not fully cooked, but it is cooked. Yummy. Yummy. Okay, there goes the time you have been waiting for. Guys, as you can see, the hot dog, eh? So we are putting onions. We are starting with onions, and you don't put a lot because you need space for your sausage there. Okay, my toppings, as I said, this is hot and sweet, and this is ketchup. Then mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, you put it in style. Then we got this mustard honey. You also put it somehow, you draw something exciting. Then this is mustard. Woo! And then because you'd love red, of course, just a little. And there goes our hot dog for the day. So guys, simple. Onion, hii mkate na sausage, unatengeneza hot dog. Hey, this is remaining 4. I told you, this is one of the favorable meals here in this house. Already 2 are gone. Remember, when we are starting, we are at 6. And now we are at 4. Jabali and Hadassah wamejipanga, and we allow them because they are babies. How do you like my hot dogs? How do you like them? How now? How do you like them? Tell me. If you're going to prepare this one, I assure you, you will have the amazing snack on your table. I assure you that. Please, if you're going to try it, please post a photo. After you post a photo, tag me. Only tag. I will repost it, or I will share it. And the person that will have many likes, as usual, we are going to be cooking with you. Tutapika na wewe. tutapika na wewe. Nitakuja kwako. If I'm not able to come, as usual, I give a gift. And you know my gifts, they are amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Paka nasikia kama niko majuu. So guys, thank you so very much. And thank you for the subscribing. Subscribing. Hii ingine imekataa kutoka. Thank you for the love. Thank you for every person that comment, like, and giving me those thumbs up. God bless you. Remember to press that bell if you have not pressed it, for you to be notified every time I upload something new. This recipe is only 10 minutes and you have a snack on the table. You can have it and then with a cold soda or juice, and you're good to go. It's a snack that you don't want to miss eating. But if you are in the journey of fighting with weight, please don't try this at home. But once in a while, spoil yourself. Kwani konini. If you have not subscribed, please do that right now, and I'll appreciate. I am humbled because you are watching already. If you are new here, welcome to PM's Kitchen. Till we meet again, guys, nawapenda with another recipe next time. Mungu awalinde, Mungu awaeke, Mungu awapende, Mungu awafave kwa jina la Yesu. Thank you for watching. The Lord bless you.